Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Mascara Monday. Today, we're trying out the new Too Faced
Damn Girl
mascara. I saw, where did I see this? I think I saw it on like Instagram, somebody promoting it, and I'm like, you know, it's a catchy name. The wand looked kind of intriguing. Let's try it out. Now, if you watch my Mascara Monday episodes, you know I don't typically buy high-end mascara because, sorry, I just straightened my hair and it's all like, huh. Yeah, I don't typically buy high-end mascara because I feel like drugstore mascara is better. Like I know a lot of drugstore mascaras that are better than high-end mascara. This was $25, which is a lot for a mascara in my opinion. 97% said they saw full-on volume. 100% said they saw intense black lashes. 99% said they saw long wearing results. 95% said they saw, I'm obnoxious, long lasting curl. It says, damn girls, revolutionary, that's annoying, I'm sorry. Damn girls, revolutionary creamy mousse formula was developed with a special blend of whipped melting waxes that deliver an immediate full load of extreme volume without a heavy feel. Innovative polymers keep lashes flexible while lifting, lengthening, and locking in 24 hours of smudge and flake resistant curl. Who would want to wear, yeah, this is 24-hour mascara. Who would want to wear their mascara for 24 hours? Like, that's kind of, give me like a 12-hour mascara, maybe like 16-hour mascara, but 24, no thanks. So the brush I said is, well, I said the wand, but I meant the brush. The brush is what was kind of intriguing. It's the infinity brush. Our exclusive dual fiber infinity brush was engineered to hug, lift, and curl each lash. Short bristles load the formula. Why does it keep saying load? Yeah, the formula for immediate release, and long bristles comb through to dispense product evenly for shocking volume, outrageous curl, and shamelessly thicker lashes. Damn girl, you look good. Let's just try this shit, okay? Packaging, super cute. Here's the mascara. All right, and then dun, 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 the wand. Look at that infinity wand. Okay, so I've done a lot of Mascara Monday episodes and I always smell the mascara just because, you know, mascara has like a distinct scent to it. This smells like a doctor's office, like a Band-Aid. Yeah, like a smell that I don't like. Ugh, yeah. All right, I don't have the patience for this to focus, but you can get the gist of it. First off, I'm gonna curl my lashes before I do this. I got a comment in one of my, not most recent, I don't think it was a recent Mascara Monday episode, but people were like, never curl your lashes after you put on mascara. And I'm like, relax, I've been doing this a minute. You know, they're worried about like lashes falling out. As long as you're super careful when you curl your lashes with mascara on, it's fine. You know, you don't just want to curl it and be like, yeah, because, you know, like, who does that anyway? But anyway, I like to curl mine before and after, so just throwing that out there. All right. Let's curl. Lashes are curled. Let's unload this mascara. Guys, the smell. Oh. What other mascara did I try that really smelled? Was it the, I think it was the Man Eater. Who is the Man Eater mascara? Is that Urban Decay? I think it was the Urban Decay Man Eater mascara. Does that sound right? I try so many different mascaras. I lose track, but I think that mascara really smelled. Like I could smell it on my lashes. I feel like this is gonna be the same too. All right, I'm looking in a mirror right here. Let's do this. Don't mind my grays. Mama's gonna do her roots. Here we go. Okay, so first off, this brush is freaking huge. It's bigger than my eyeball. Like, hello, where'd my eyeball go? It's huge. So kind of hard to work with. Like initially, I guess. Ugh. But look at my lashes. Wowie zowie. Oh, that's super clumpy. Oh man. Oh boy. How can we fix this? How can we fix this? Look how clumpy that is. I don't know. All right, let's just roll with it, I guess. Oh man. Oh man. Oh my gosh, that is so clumpy. I don't know. Yeah, you can totally see it. Oh boy. Okay. Time out. I think I'm gonna try to get rid of that clumpage. What are those brushes called with like the brushes, you know, that you can brush out your eyelashes? Okay, I don't have one of those nearby. All I have is the Benefit Bad Gal mascara, so I'm gonna try to like take the mascara off of this and like get rid of that clumpiness, cause like, whoa. All right, that kind of worked. Ooh, okay, so I guess we're just gonna have to look at my right eye to see. This is a mess. Oh, you guys, I can smell it. Ugh, what is this? 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 Oh, my lashes already fell flat. Do you see that? They're flat now. Oh man. Oh man. This one might be a little bit too much. This guy, don't even. This is too much, I think. I think it's too much. There's too much. It's so messy now. Look at, what is this? I got lines on my face. Okay, this is, guys, I don't know. I'm trying to like scrape some product off this. I feel like there's a shit ton on there. Oh, okay, cool. On my face, right there. There we go. That's cool. Okay. I think I'm just gonna stop because, like, what? Never mind this eye, because this was a disaster. So this eye, you know, it's falling like super flat now. It's great when you like first apply it, but then this is like a heavy, thick ass formula. Didn't it say? It says extreme volume without a heavy feel. That is not true at all. Hold on, there's a little like insert in here. Little paper. Oh, this is probably just like ingredients. Yeah. Yeah. So it has whipped melting waxes. Like maybe that's the issue, because like wax is like weighing it down. I don't know, but it specifically says on here that it creates extreme volume without a heavy feel. I mean, it doesn't feel heavy on my lashes, but I know my lashes are like, shit, this is heavy, because look at them. They're like, they were nice and curled, and now they're just like, bing. All right. Yeah, $25 my ass. This is not worth $25 at all. I think I'm gonna actually try to return it. You can return shit, right? Have I ever returned anything? I got it at Ulta, by the way. Which, hold on, little Ulta rant. How come every friggin' time I go there, they always like screw me over? I had points to use and I had a $3.50 off coupon, and they only ended up doing the coupon. And I specifically told her I wanted to use the points, and I guess that's my bad for like not watching her like a friggin' hawk and like looking at the total to make sure she took both off. But every time I go there, it's so fucking annoying. Every time I go there, something always goes wrong. They like either forget to take the coupon off or the points, and I know you can do both. So just a little Ulta rant. But yeah, I think I am gonna take this mascara back, because this is not worth $25 friggin' at all. You know, if this wand, I mean, I like the wand, but I think it's too much. Now, it's not just the wand, it's the formula too, because the formula is like really, it's like thick and I don't know how to describe it, but like my lashes are weighed down. Okay, I'm actually gonna try to curl them before we count this as a total loss. I'm gonna try to curl them. I'm gonna let it like dry a little bit. We'll see if we can like salvage one eye. I know this guy's a lost cause. All right. That didn't work, because look how spidery my lashes are now. Hello, Vanessa, Spider Woman Vanessa. This mascara is not worth $25 at all. I will be returning it. Now that I've curled them after, though, it feels heavy. Now this lash, I'm like, I can't keep my eye open. I'm not exaggerating, it does feel heavy. And I know some people are like, you know, that's why you're not supposed to curl your lashes after you put mascara on. I know, just hush. Okay, yeah, not a fan. No. I would say, damn girl, what the hell did you do to your lashes? That's you know, if you wanna use the name of the mascara in a conversation, I feel like somebody would be like, damn girl, what the hell happened to you? More like that. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my brutally honest review, which is always what happens here. I'm always brutally honest. I do not recommend this mascara. I will be returning it because, you know, just not a fan at all. Comment down below and let me know if you have tried this mascara and let me know your thoughts. As always, if there's a mascara you want to see featured on Mascara Monday, just comment down below and let me know. But yeah, that's it. I feel like I need to go scrub this off my lashes now. Oh, one more thing. I can't smell it. I could smell it when it's like near me, but I can't smell it on my lashes like I could with the other mascara. I'm pretty sure it was the Man-Eater mascara. Now I'm gonna have to like go back and watch my Mascara Monday episodes because I'm pretty sure I titled it like the smelliest mascara ever. Now it's really got me thinking. I really gotta go back and watch them. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video.